everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. In this video, you can learn to set the investing.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, dive into your default web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, you can use it too. In the above search bar, you just have to type in investing.com, which will lead you to the official web page of investing.com. Setting up the investing.com is quick and easy. Let's set up your watch list, and in the watch list you can just add the stocks market available here just by entering the keyword of any of the stock you want and just clicking the stock account. Another thing to set on investing.com is the chart. After setting the watch list, we will set up the charts, and let's click on the live chart to live chart, and you can see the popular option available here. And to set the indicators of the charts, you can just click on the indicator slash, and you just have to click some of the you can set up the chart by adding the options available here, and here you can name your chart and click the save option. That's how you set up the investing.com. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. Hopefully this video helped you to set investing.com. If that's so, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.